Well, we know that we're going to be having an impact over the next couple hours here in the Midlands, but when we're talking about tomorrow, at least it's a little bit shorter window, but the impact does not change because we're still looking from 2 to 11 o'clock tomorrow afternoon to the overnight with more storms and heavy rainfall, and you definitely have to stay out off the roads. But overall, all the way through Friday, I mean, we're going to be dealing with these showers and storms through the day, through the evening, and it's going to start getting windy and even more rainfall. So I haven't done it yet. We've had many power outages today already. If you have any devices, start charging them now, because when the power goes out and you don't have these things charged, it's going to be a while, or you're going to have to sit in your car to charge it. And with the rain, you definitely do not want to do that. Now, we still have this flash flood warning for Aiken, which is pretty much the eastern half east of I-20, the extreme southern portions of Lexington County, the northwest portions of Calhoun County, and then western Orangeburg County until midnight tonight, where you could see the heavy rainfall still moving through. So by the time we get to midnight, we could have probably an additional inch to an inch and a half on top of that. But still, the rainfall in many areas, it's still pockets of brief but heavy rainfall. Parts of the northwest Midlands have maybe light sprinkles at worst. But we still have more rain to come through. For what it's worth, the temperatures right now are in the 70s. They've been stuck in the mid-70s all day. The winds are still sustained out of the northeast at 15 miles an hour, but they're still gusting nearing 30. And the impact of that is as we go throughout the night, even with the rainfall tapering off by 4, you're still talking about winds sustained at 30 with gusts that'll be even higher than that. There is Tropical Storm Debby with the 11 o'clock update. Winds at 40, gusting to 50. Its forward motion is now 5 miles an hour, but notice where it went. From earlier today, it made its way towards Hilton Head, turned southeast, now it's turning east, and all those tropical storm warnings are still in effect for the entire coastline of South Carolina. But here's the change. It's supposed to start making its turn sometime tomorrow morning, intensify to 50 miles an hour, and then possibly make landfall late Wednesday night, maybe possibly around midnight somewhere closer to the Charleston Battery than we had earlier today when it was closer to IOP. And then by Thursday morning, it's just on the east of the Midlands. By Thursday night, now heading out to the North Carolina Piedmont. But here's the key thing. It's all showing that it's going to be still shifting even further to the west by even just a little bit, which could make matters even more problematic for the Midlands. But all those showers and storms, as they continue, we'll still have these showers and storms for another couple hours. As we get towards the morning, it'll start tapering off. A brief pause, but don't let it fool you, because by the time we get to lunchtime, here it comes again. More rainfall tomorrow afternoon through the evening and the overnight hours, and that's going to continue right through Thursday morning, Thursday during the midday and into the afternoon, and even by Thursday night going into the afternoon, we're still going to be looking at more rainfall. And how much in the Midlands here? By the time we get done with all of this, as we head towards Thursday night, the eastern third of the Midlands could get anywhere from 6 to approaching 9 inches more rainfall. In the central Midlands, up to 2 to 3, and the western Midlands perhaps a little under, about a little bit under maybe 30 or 0.04 of an inch of rainfall. But that shift is what we're going to watch very carefully, because that's why we have 3 days that we have to contend with the heavy rainfall tomorrow, as well as Thursday, and at least the first half of Friday. Saturday, maybe isolated storms, and then we'll get a break Sunday and Monday, which we'll desperately need, as temperatures will bounce into the upper 80s to low 90s, but maybe a chance of storms on Tuesday. But again, a News 19 weather impact alert right through Friday morning. Stay with us. We got